This was what I present on March 23rd. But now this is the situation. Kilos of powder without having worked on it for many months. Now it's time to start over from here. The first thing we need to think about is to rebuild a good support plan where to make our mock.
Hi guys, welcome back to Frankie Brick channel. Today we begin the renovation of the Pisa railway station.
As you've seen behind me, the plane is totally empty and is higher than the previous one, as you have seen before. Today I will start the preparation of Pisa railway station in 2019. Going back to a few months ago, when I started building the subway, I realized that yes, the station with underground could be strong, but difficult to transport to events in the future. So I decided to set aside and think of something easier, starting with a square made in Mills blocks. Here, meanwhile, you see the construction of the Mills block, with 2 layers of plates and 1 of bricks to pass the lighting cables where it's needed. Some time has passed since the last video, and as you can see, some things have changed. First of all, I changed the layout of the shelf of the station. Before it was lower, when now put it height of 73 centimeters. And I eliminated for the moment subway. So much here in Pisa will never be realized, for obvious problems that could meet because of so many archaeological finds. So I opted to build a tramway just outside the square.
You came along one day, you raised me up and made me sway.
Thank you once again for attention to this video. Remember to send a like on my Facebook page and don't forget to subscribe to Frankie Brick's channel. Thank you very much and see you soon.